Welcome back for another vlog. Sorry, may third eyes tayo dyan. Anyway, we are going today to Ikea. Bibili tayo ng ano niya, ng
tulog na
unan sa Ikea. Tapos, kasi we will try to put her on her bed. And we'll try. But actually, wala naman ako masyadong talagang problema when it comes she's sleeping next to me. And it's just that we just want her to learn how to sleep by herself, like self-soothe. But yeah, we are going out today. So hopefully the weather will be better. So I'm just gonna change Thria. Then while I'm changing her, let's just like some vlog.
Yeah, the weather would be better.
What butter? What does it mean butter?
Not better, butter.
So, ayun. Wala tayong masyadong magandang weather, guys, for the past week. Like, 1-2 weeks na, no? We don't have a good weather. So,
everywhere in Europe, I see it, actually. People complaining about the weather.
Yeah.
Coming, the storm, raining, ice balls, flooding the river.
Yes. So, I'm just gonna change Thria. Well, let's see how is it gonna go. Well, guys, just to update you guys with Thria right now, she's so like big girl na. She loves walking a lot, like really walking a lot. So yeah, just say hi to the vlog. Can you say hi to the vlog? Yes, can you say hi to them? Can you say hi to them? Hi everyone. It's been a while again. I'm such a big girl na. Who is a big girl? So, punta tayo sa Ikea sa may Edmonton. So, just 2 bus lang naman. 2 bus. And then, bibili rin ako ng mga bagong bedsheet. Bibili rin ako ng bago akong unan. Ayun, yun yung plan today. Well, the last time, dapat mag-vlog din ako nung pumunta tayo kala Christina. Kaso, di na tuloy. Masyado nang masaya yung chikahan. So, ayun. And, guys, you can check on her vlog. On her YouTube channel. Gumawa kami ng vlog dun sa YouTube channel niya. I'll put in the description down below yung ginawa naming vlog. So, yun. So, Thria will just wearing... Well, actually, hindi ako masyadong bibit talaga ng damit ni Thria when it comes sa, pang summer nga. Kasi nga, hindi naman din kasi masusuot. You see, itong damit na to, Diyos ko. Parang maliit na nga to sa kanya itong damit na to. Ayan. So, ayan. Na Thria, 5 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. No, 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 no. Yeah, so this is what she gonna wear today. She wore this one before na din. Medyo malaki, but it's okay. Malaki sa kanya, lalo na itong niya, parang leggings. Actually, she can wear the other leggings. It's okay. Pwede na to. Para matutulog siya on ng hour. Medyo malaki na. Yes, palitan natin yung niya. Yung kanyang, palitan natin yung yung leggings. Kasi nalalakihan ako. Meron naman siyang mga ibang leggings. So, say hi to the vlog! Hi guys! I got a big eyes! Can you say hi? Manood. So guys, I'll be back. Dito namin sa Ikea, guys. Katapos lang namin kumain. Thria! Thria! Shh. Shh. Hi! Can you say hi? Now, let's go. You happy? Thria? Is it your first time here? Yay! Yay! Where are you? Where are you? Huh? Oh, look, my love, they have a... Oh no, it's different. That kind of cover for the sofa. Look, oh, we can... Yeah. Maybe there's like a cover. Look at this one. It's like $9.50. My love, this one looks much better. So this is the sofa that one. Still same. My love, This one. This one is much better. It's like the same size.
Smaller.
Yeah, but same size. Are you excited? Huh? You can't go down now because you walk so fast. Sorry. Still the same. Hello. So, this is the showroom dito sa Ikea. So, ito siguro yung entrance. Pagpasok, they have one bedroom. So cool. And toilet. What? Thria, my love. I just love Thria there. Man, this is so cool. So cute. And then this, ito, sobrang gusto ko yung mga ganito. Kasi tinatago yung... This is cool. And you have this one here. So cool. Not bad for Thria's bed. Yo, how is it? Do you like it? Do you like that bed? Thria. She's scared with the stuffed toys. Oh, wait, mala. Let her play a little. She's scared with the stuffed toys. Scared?
No. She don't know what's going on.
Yeah. Nah. Oh, she don't care na. So, hi guys! Nakawin na kami actually kanina pa. So like 2 hours ago. No? 2 hours ago, we got home. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog nung pauwi na kami kasi nakatulog na si Thria, medyo nag-fast siya sa bus. So, I'll just show you guys yung mga pinamili namin. Actually, hindi ako masyado nag-vlog data sa Ikea kasi syempre, we have Thria as well. We don't want her to just keep on screaming sa Ikea. So, I'll just show you guys yung mga pinamili namin. This is just very important that we really need right now. As I said earlier sa nung pag-open ng vlog, we bought some pillows and it's for Thria as well. So, yeah. So, bumili ako nitong bagong, padding sa upuan namin. Dalawa. We have the gray one. So, I choose another dark one kasi para hindi kita yung mga mancha. But, I don't know. But, I guess it's fine. So, bumili ako ng dalawang bago. And then, eto, bumili ako ng ni Thria. Ano to? I think this is 3 set ng bed sheet. I'm not sure. Well, let's have a look. Bed sheet siya. You can put her down, yeah? So, marami na naman tayo laban. Actually, dami ko laban. Hindi pa ako nakakapaglaba. So, ayan. Ito pala per pillow. Ay, how many per pillow? Tapos, ito ata yung pang bed sheet. Yep. This is the para sa pang bed sheet. And I think this is one is para sa niya. Pang cover. I guess so. But it seems like para siyang panlalaki na ata yung nabili ko. But this doesn't matter. The important naman is yung quality niya. So maganda kasi yung quality sa Ikea. Kaya pinili ko na doon bumili. And then bumili kami ng dalawang pillows. Eto. So I don't know if I have to wash it. Do you have to wash it? I'm not gonna open na. I'll open it later. Then, bumili rin ako ng Thria. What you call with this one? Anong tawag dito, my love? What you call with this?
What did you shop in Ikea?
Anong tawag dito? Hindi ko alam. Basta, siya yung... Kasi, mostly si Thria, pag nagkumakain talaga, especially pag iinom lang siya ng tubig, grabe. Yung buong damit niya is basa. So, talaga ang dami niyang labahan. So, I choose na bumili ng ganito. At least, di ba? Na-cover talaga yung buong niya. Clothes niya. Yeah. Mala, she just drink.
She want to jump.
Don't let her jump. So, ito yung niya. Cover niya sa coat. Bumili na rin kami. Kasi mag-winter na rin. Ito yung, niya. Bago niya pillow. Hello! So, ito yung pillow. Nakantry ko natin. So, ito yung pillow na binili namin for her. Hopefully, she would like it. here's your pillow, Baba. Here's your pillow. So, it's really nice. I really like how it is. So, yan, yung pillows niya. And then, eto, bumila ako ng another duvet for her. Mommy don't know what she's saying. Hello. Hi. Hello. Peekaboo. Ang daming ang dami ring commercial. So, eto, bumili rin ako ng another set ng kanyang, duvet. What you call duvet? Bumili lang another set. Kasi yung isa parang panlalaki. So, let's see how it is. Ay, ano lang po? Hindi ko alam. Nasa yung ano. Ayun, this is how it looks like. Hopefully, it looks fine, you know. Ay, ang cute. Ay, ang cute. Ang cool niya kasi zipper. Unlike sa other na na botones or ano. So, tsaka bumili rin kami ng para sa amin naman ni Habi. Ito. This is the color. So, yun lang naman yung mga pinagbibili namin sa Ikea na sobrang needed talaga kasi. And kasi yung, namin, yung pillow namin ilan lang, para sa amin lang talaga. So, I said to Monse, we need to buy more. Oh yeah, this is her cover. I was thinking, I thought I bought the wrong one. Oh my gosh. So yeah, ito para to kay Thria. This is for her. So yeah, that's it guys. Kasi yun lang naman yung binili namin sa Ikea. Super pagod. Pero she really enjoy. And oh, all of it? 90. Oh, we have a visitor. 95 pounds? Yeah, so
how much?
95.
95.
Yeah. Kuripot infinies. Charast. So yeah, that's it guys. Yun lang naman yung binili natin. And let's see how it's gonna be work. Hopefully, Thria will sleep in her bed. And we're not like forcing her to sleep. It's okay if it's not. You know, I'm not in her as well. And it's kind of my problem as well. Kasi hindi ko siya rin mabitawan. I could not let Thria go. Kasi sobrang na-enjoy ko every time na nagka-cuddle kami in the night. So anyway.
What's your husband told you buddy all the time?
Yeah. I know.
But I let you to do.
Yes.
Now you learn.
Yes, you are right. Yes. Sorry, I have a third eye here. Kinut-kut ko kasi yan. But anyway, guys, I will end this vlog na guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Wala masyadong ganap this past few days, but hopefully sa susunod na vlog, we have something to vlog. And then, yeah, I'll share to you guys on what happened to my skin again, and the skincare, what else. If you guys have idea to what to vlog, just comment down below. Please let me know kung ano mga gusto nyo pang makita. So, I will end this vlog na guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So,